See? Yeah. She carry it out the whole house, all the back, that one that door. So me I ask you any.
Yeah, mommy has a message where I put it out there, you know, and if anyone can reach out and is watching the program.
Anybody can help me.
Yeah.
I need a little assistance. I tell them about my foot already.
So no matter how small it is, you know, any little assistance you can get, you know, we'll be grateful for it.
Yeah.
We can help out a situation, you know. No matter how small it is, we'll appreciate and we'll give thanks.
Yeah.
You know, so we'll try to see if we can help each other, you know, come together and make it work. So
everything. Baby was sleeping.
Well, you know, some people, most time when they watch this video, them always say, they don't know why them always are complain, and they realize that there's people that go through worse situation than where them have, you know. Because a lot of people know that when they see all them video, you know, realize the struggle where people are really go through, where you have to really give thanks, you know. Because when you look upon other people's situation, how they live, like, it's quite touching.
Yeah, man, true.
You know?
Yeah. Real video, but that's true, you know?
So, how much kids you have?
7 of them, but all of them live with me.
So, yeah, how much of them do you with you?
Lulu, Shamai, the baby. Oh, 5 of them.
Yeah, 5 people.
Close by your stay?
My sister here. She said you come back with her Friday.
Yeah.
I don't know what next sister I stay, but you know, no convenient way for me there.
Okay.
I got from little place she have a chair I sleep on. Chair me not know where to sleep. Down on one yard where you go carry the package. And then if you go down in the back of the yard and some bed, I might think them throw out in the yard.
No!
All I bought them all up and cut them.
Well, so. That's actually. Well, I must. Okay. Oh, so you're working at the minute? You're working at the minute?
It's an
Antimalt. So, well, at least you're trying then.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yes, come on, come and see if I forget help, we get help from it here we. Don't miss? Yes, so we have to talk to the camera and say we live in a Jamaica and so forth, part of the place are built up and the next part that developing up. So we are look help anybody we can help with develop because we out of stay good see that? Then we are wrapped down, so we are look help to build the house and things. See that the place will look good, you see it. So we are look help, so talking and say we are big help and they go back and can get the help. We're glad for it.
Of course.
You see we? So I'm not afraid to talking at the camera because it's not like say she go take it for broadcast or something. She help, she look and she bring help, come give her glad for it. Sure,
the help is needed because we can see that the help is really needed, you know?
Yeah.
Because we do them working at Trenchtown and I tell you, it's much bad down there.
We need help and we got feel good food and give God thanks to the food because no we not work like me. Me not working.
Yeah.
Right? My daughter just left high school and she then at the yard and me not seeing no progress coming at her. I look up panty and thing me sell and food and more food young people are buying more than them stuff and I have no money to buy nothing. I'm glad for the help and thank God for the food that she bring.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need help and we need a help to build up your house and things.
Yeah,
What
can
them
realize.
angry with. So even if it can't talk preachers, we need help and your house and nothing.
Can realize.
It's never there. Say me come talk about him niece.
We'll go with Victor. Where Victor? No! Burn! Oh. I don't know if I have to go to one and I apply the chicken and yam them out. All over in our house. Oh.
Passenger small.
Yeah?
I walk with this.
And one of them part of go right down. Yam out. Look up. You see them? You see them? Look, they go right down a base. Look up there, chichi. Chichi, I eat them out, you know? And I want to lick up help for repair them up all around the house. If you want to go in the house, you can go in the house. Chichi, I eat it out. Come like I whole life in my town.
The struggle is really on them side here, boy.
If them want all a new door, no door. We find out how to go in the house and show you. You lonely? No. I'll come in there. Just see them there. Come no man, feel it. You see the chicken and them out everything.
Oh, my general.
And me just check out that one, yeah.
Yeah, you just do it yourself.
Yeah.
Me a fair try. The whole I see that me take out them two, they call chicken and yam them out. Them.
Oh, so you want some help and some plies?
Yes, and door or even the ceiling want to fix the car. Come me show you this. I want a door for this. The whole of that door, they not good. It ain't no button. Down this one, show him. Move the glass, make him take the picture of the door. See the door there? Look down the button there. And you can't go around this. Everything I eat out, you see?
Yeah, the whole I eat out.
All of everything I eat out. See it, yeah? You see it? Chichi, I eat them out. Now I look like an assistant. Because things bad right now, I don't have no money. Need some help. Okay, where I will go. I'm going to show you this up. Come. See it? See it?
Yeah.
Chichi, I eat out the whole house, all the back, that one to do. So may I ask you any assistant, any how you can help me. May I ask you please, can me used to sell some juice and no, me need them, two need them swell up. Them say me have baker's sister and me need them all too. You understand? So it kind of stop me from selling the liquor juice. So I own me there right now because me da public and we are November is the next date. Me don't know when me will get help. I can't to walk on the foot. When I walk too much on the foot, it pain up and I sweat. So me there home right now. So please, me I'll beg a liquor assistant to say the inner so they want liquor time into. So we need one door, the back door, the kitchen door down there, so to it right now.
I kind of realize the struggle, you know, is really real on them sides here, because you know we help out a lot of people in Trenchtown. So we kind of realize
they're everywhere, sir.
Yeah, realize that the struggle is everywhere. You know, and she's not really asking for much, you know, and if anybody was watching, you know, as I can see my just video, Petal I say, well, she needs just some Salitex or some pie. You know. Mommy, what's your name? What's your name again? Medora.
Atkins or Andis, anyone I want to put Medora.
Medora.
Yeah.
And you born and grow around here?
No. I born at 11 Oakland Road, a yard.
Oh, Oakland Road.
Yeah, a yard delivery.
Which part of that there?
You go when you go Waltham.
Okay.
And turn down Oakland Road or Oakland Avenue, that's the my birth certificate.
Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing one, as I say, well, as I ask, you know, the viewers, they mean one watching, you know, one assistant, you know, if you get some Salitex, some tile or some ply, you know, in any way them can.
Even then, I said, I can't wait for public neither. If I could get a little assistant to go a private place to go deal with this.
Oh, yeah, this
is. Yeah. They're on here, so and it swell up, they need them.
Okay.
Nah, two of them, you know.
So it kind of make it even more rougher for you because you can't really move too much neither.
Yeah.
Well, we can say the struggle is really low, and we can see it here.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to feel like, say, church to one where we help out, you know, is not.
Yeah.
But me expect when time I come here, something like that's total different thing me I look on like.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. I'm can see right around here more deprived condition than even Trench Town.
But if the Prime Minister never come a child pop up there, so you would have seen water. You understand me?
Can I see my bill up some local
yeah, because some fire, some of the people them they burn out. And him did promise long time say when him win him would have bill. He would have been right through now we don't go yes at 24, then he must say he must deal it up there so far so we don't know where I'm going to do. I just see up there so it has stopped for now, I don't know. Because he say him a blind trail lane.
Okay.
So might be if him win again or whatsoever.
What that lane name?
St. Paul Lane.
St. Paul Lane.
Yeah.
Okay, so
After Avenue. After Avenue and this is St. Paul Lane.
Alright then. Alright, mommy, as I mentioned, I put it out there, you know, and if anyone can reach out, you know, watching the program.
Anybody can help me.
Yeah.
I need a little assistance. I'm telling him about my foot already.
So no matter how small it is, you know, any little assistance you can get, you know, we'll be grateful for it.
Yeah.
We can help out a situation, you know. No matter how small it is, we'll appreciate and we'll give thanks.
Yeah.
You know, so we'll try to see if we can help each other, you know, come together and make it work. So I'll keep you up to date, you know, if anything come by, you know, as I say, you have to just pray and hope somebody. So the Almighty can touch somebody's heart, and you know, them can reach out and send you a blessings, you know, we can help out. You know, no matter how small it is, you can send something and you can help out. It's a start, you know, because we know some of them are overseas have it really hard for themselves as well too. We know, so the struggle is not only here, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. So those hopefully now somebody can watch this now and kind of realize say, you're not acting for much, you know.
Just coming like one chichi going this way the pan car. All of them, you know, them they rat out and my daughter buy back them and fix it, and you notice the whole of the run at the back there eat out back again. You understand?
Yeah. So I can see because water come in from the CD and everything. So you can see where the struggle is really real on here. So we are asking, you know, for any assistance, you know, so no matter how small it is, you know, if we can send something towards our aid, you know, we kindly appreciate it. I would thank so much, you know. So it's my first time in Towile, you know, first time really outside here. So as I say, now I see what I go on and I realize that the need is really needed around here. You know, so I hope and pray somebody can bless you with something. You know, it's a start.
I know God answer my prayer.
Yeah.
I'm trusting in God.
Of course.
Yeah.
And from your trust in God, well, anything for you, it will be. You know, so nobody else can stop it. So if it's your time to get some blessings, you know, you will get some blessings.
Yeah, man.
And you're not asking for much. And you say you sell juice and then good thing there, you know? Yeah, so if I ever can, them can help you out in your, with some groceries, you know, we can buy some more stuff and stock out and see you know? Yeah, yourself familiar?
Yeah.
Alright then, so no worries man, tell me my name again.
Medora Atkins. Medora Anderson.
Yeah. So let's keep the prayers, you know, and hope and pray something can happen.
Yeah. You can't take my phone number.
Yeah.
My sister, yeah. Before I reach her, I did take care of somebody and them dead, so the family them come through me. They asked her to make me stay until I can't help myself, so they move out the whole of my stuff them when I come in and I talk. So, the husband came and got a court, so the judge give me 3 months leave. And 3 months till I come back. It starts August, September, October, but sometimes them time in November. I for leave. Really and truly, when the Prime Minister come back, me that big help, but them program and the people them name the Ghana and already, so they close. So I don't know if I ever get no help. I don't really have no land, put no house, but I look help. And I must live somewhere I can't live in a rain, no sun. When night comes is a difficult thing. You can't sleep anywhere when the time dry, but when rain fall and when night fall as a woman, you know it's difficult for me. So right now I'm there for my face.
So
the important thing is a shelter over my head.
So it's by your stay?
No, my sister, yeah. She said she come back with her Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know our next sister I stay, but you know, no convenient way for me there.
Okay.
I just want to look at place she have a chair I sleep on. Chair, I don't know where to sleep. Down our 1 yard where you go carry the package. I don't know if you go down in the back of the yard and some bed and my things them throw out in the yard. After them take my things, them throw out my things them in the yard. The bed, so quite like me on a bed and nothing. I just put on my face like that.
So I'll come back with them and then we can just show me what I go and then. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
So my name is Jean.
Jean. Alright then Jean. Yeah, I'll come back with them Friday. And then you can show me what I go and then, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's
one. In the evening or?
Evening. Yeah.
Evening. I just want to know that I'm not going away and stay.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah,
man.
Yeah. Hello. Evening. Are you gonna tell me about?
Oh, I think I know.
You know them?
They will not remember. My old father. I'll go Maga man. Yeah, supposed to be.
So you live here? Your sister told me say you need some assistance. So show me what go on, you know. Cause you know say we're there here, like out there in the locals.
They have fixed leave it. No, it'll be that much camera. Yeah, and then I just more than one change and I can't stop it. The bathroom. She want me top. She needs our assistant. Can look as you see the bathroom. Need fixing the board. Oh, sorry. Board you can see outside there. Everything rattling down. And as you can see the stove here and the kitchen, everything does a collapse. The window need fixing. Have nothing in there. The kids have to be on these bumps to make everything share.
Oh, so kids them live here?
Yes. As you can see here, everything rattling down. I have to use the curtain to hide it. Here. Everything. Baby was sleeping.
I wonder if you haven't got the room ready.
So mommy, what What's your name?
Elizabeth Matthews.
Elizabeth. She say kind of shy.
Yeah, she kind of shy.
You know, a long time she really tell me say her sister would need help because she call the program and tell me. And coincidence, me down here, I'm surprised me see her as well too.
Yeah.
You know, me end up pass
She
through.
want end up see about because she said she that.
To tell you.
Yeah, I'm kind of see the condition of them players is really poor.
Yeah.
You know, and the struggle is even real. Because with the things in a trench and alone, I really have it hard down there. You know? Quite surprising. I like that. You know, with things in a trench town, we don't really have it rough.
It's all about.
Yeah, it's all about. So, how much kids you have?
7 of them, but all of them live with me.
So, yeah, how much of them there with you?
Lulu, Shamai, the baby. Oh, 5 of them.
Yeah, 5 people.
5 baby.
5. Jaja. I mean, can see, so as I say, I put the word out there because we visit quite a few hours already since we've been around here.
On the outside?
Yeah. So,
She eldest. She have a big son, but you know her. Oh, your son. No.
All I bought them all up on top down.
well, so Pastor Jackson. Well, I've missed. Okay.
I can't keep it up and come in and raise them. The one more day.
Oh, so you're working at the minute? You're working at the minute?
You know, just an Antomo.
So, well, at least you're trying then.
Yeah.
I know, so they know the job system already stay in Jamaica.
Yeah, minimum sometimes it's not really that much, but it can still stop again. So you try and do what you can do with it. By the time you get a pay, you buy little food and put it down. So sometimes a little helping another glad for.
Yeah, so as Mr. Like, I ask for any help you can get, any assistance, but sometimes in life, we have to just always give thanks. I know say the struggle is really real when time realize that people go through a lot worse than what you think. Because me don't really expect these type of living condition on these sides, which is, as I mentioned, my eyes have opened to certain things, but now we can say that the struggle is everywhere.
It's everywhere.
And if it wasn't for Erica, we would have ended up over this side. We can literally see what go on, because we can't really go in any area just like that.
Time.
Yeah, we have to literally know somebody so we can go in an area and know so we feel alright passing through there. So, like over here, a couple people recognize us, from the program we do, and same time they start to ask for form assistance for them can get. To see them ask for any form of assistance we can get for you, no matter.
I'll be grateful and I'll be happy and glad.
Yeah, come again say, well, the place definitely needs some solid, some plies and then think, we can say a place really a fall apart, which is the same as some of them I see already, the place them are rotten down. So we can say the struggle is really real, so just any form of funding we can get, something we can help them. We can get some plier or something, anything at all, but you have to also believe and make sure say you pray,
Yeah, man.
I will just hope somebody will watch the program now, then the Almighty can reach and touch them heart.
Pray, so that's why probably blow that way, yeah.
Well, that is it, because if it's your turn, it's your turn, what is for you, nobody else can stop it. So hopefully the breeze blow me in the right direction and hopefully we can get some farmer assistance,
And I would have been grateful and happy and glad. So
people out there just help out as you can, as I say. And I'll be thankful and grateful, and God will bless you all.
Alright, so she's kind of shy, you know, so over the period of time she will probably get used to it, so the door can't have a lock. The door can't lock.
No, well it about, so that part I.
I'm sure the struggle is real, you know, so I'll keep you up to date, you know.
Yeah.
If anything comes up, me contact and make you know, yeah? But just hold the faith, see me. You know, don't lose hope. If you know you contact you and if anybody not reach out, there's always a chance, see me, it can happen. You know? But don't lose faith and continue to believe, see me.
Thanks.
Yeah?
Thank you guys.
Alright. Alright, then take care. Struggle. So is another yard is again? Oh, blessed Papa. Blessed. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. A towel. A towel is so?
Yeah, man.
Towel. Sure. How much TV I watch? Two TV I watch one time.
One watch films, cartoon, but I want to watch my new phone.
So you watch one for yourself? Yeah. You watch one to film yourself?
I'm going to fix them.
Oh, you fix them?
The thing every appliance you see,
Oh. But if you can just turn it down a little bit so you can hear where I go on. Well, you know, some people, most time when they watch this video, them always say, let me know why them always a complain, and they realize that there's people that go through worse situation than where them have, you know. Okay. Because a lot of people know that when them see all them video, you know, realize the struggle where people are really go through, where you have to really give thanks, you know, because when you look on other people's situation, how them live, like, it's quite touching.
Yeah, man, true.
You know?
Yeah. Real, right, but that's true, you know?
So you say fix TV if you're living appliance and everything thing there?
Fix something up here. And then I look at true, but still trying to survive, you know? Survival is a must, so we can't give up the struggle and give up the fight and all those stupid things.
Yeah. I know back in the days, you know, people always rely upon people to fix TV and them little thing there, but in these times now, it's kind of very hard to find them little business there right now.
Very hard.
And I like one time where you know say if your TV, and like one time if you know say if your TV broke down now, you can sell them and bring it to her. Yeah, but no. TV broke down, people got to take out one and get someone because they don't come in so cheap. So, know them part of the world and I really too. We know I kind of can see. So, somebody dash for this, I take it and fix it. And that as well. And let me tell you, sorry. You know, so let me tell you, boy.
People show them there and I'm go for them because we have the skill. We have the skills that we don't utilize them. We don't have the money to buy them. We just have the skill to do it.
Find my belt. Find what? Belt. I'm gonna get you a buddy.
What's your name?
Why did you say that?
What's your name?
My name is Radcliffe, Matthew.
Radcliffe. Alright, then Mr. Radcliffe. As I say, more than one people come. Since me there and I look at hours on video 1 and 2 and I can see the shovel is really around here, you know, so. Whoa. Oh, that tile?
I'm not finished done tile in it, you know, what to, strength of funds, strength of rare, after just stop it for some time.
Yeah. Alright, then Radcliffe, you know, we are continuing the journey, see me, you know, it's not the first I go see me. You will see me again, come pass and try to highlight you know, and put it out there to the public so them can see it and see if anybody can really assist you. Even fixing some things like to make you can have a quick income.
Yeah, man.
You know, if you will find a job for you where you can know so you can have someone where you can fix things, who can help out.
Yeah.
You know, because we can see right as a very small. And your son this? The last one. You and him live? Yes, yeah.
That's all I will say, my grandchildren and children.
Yeah. Struggle is real. You see where I say Esther? You see? Some people really have it hard, you know. I would think Trenchtown did have it the hardest, but realize it's everywhere. You know, so practically if you are keeping tune, yeah?
Yeah,
and
man,
keeping prayers. Yeah? Alright, then blessings. Struggle is real, man. Soldier?
Justin.
Alright then, yeah? Justin.
What am I gonna do?
It's a party, man. Yeah.
Whoa, you know?
Oh, yeah, man, you know.
Look for my two.
I don't even know me, I think I'm here right now. Because
Yeah, bread.
Two left.
One for the lady that live right there, the brown lady.
Where's she?
Let me see she downtown. I'm gonna leave one for her.
yeah, Mike it.
You have one for Miss Karen on the boys? Okay.
Dream team. Whoa, come in. As I say, we have to give thanks for Erica, you know, because Erica is doing the greatness that we're doing as well too. As I can see the journey we go up on today, helping out the needy. Come out the road one minute. You know, helping out the needy. And you know, she have a foundation. What's the foundation name again?
It's basically a little charity give back. My grandmother passed 2 years ago, Miss Ivy, so I'm trying to do it under her foundation.
Yeah.
But guys, remember to support Outstanding Boutique, my online store. So that's where the really meat of all of this is.
Yeah. And I'm saying we really give thanks for what she's doing, because she's doing exactly the great thing that we are doing as well too, you know, by giving back, helping out where she's from and also the community of Trenchtown. And no, she really appreciate. And she really appreciate the help what she get from, you know, from helping out, bagging out the stuff them, you know, by going around and giving them out as well too. So she have appreciation which I give to her as well too. So she have blessings which I got blessed, you know, for the time when I put out, you know, see them here. Showing her appreciation for the greatness what they've been doing, same way, you know, and she thank her so much for giving her strength and being there for her from then until now. I remember it's only the beginning, there's no end, you know, and the journey will definitely continue, you know, so yes, a busier than 3rd Street. Yeah, man, so she want to give out appreciation And thank you so much for what you've been doing. So I want to thank Eric and give a round of applause. And Erica is going to bless you now.
Yes.
You know.
So you call them, I don't remember.
Yes, you have Rasta Jackson here.
So we give you 5,000.
Yeah,
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, I have.
Say that thing.
I have the wow chef and the wow.
5,000. You're welcome.
Blessing.
Thank you for everything you do for the community. I really appreciate you.
Next time we, you know.
Yeah.
I have Mother Teresa's here, man. You know.
Thank you.
And welcome you back in the community.
Thank
and
you.
Live so many years. Thank you for what you have done to the community and outside.
I appreciate it.
I have Esther as well too.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And thanks for what you're doing for the community.
Thank you for all your help. I appreciate it.
I have Rasta Messi. Boom.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Watch again. I have Talpi as well too. Talpi. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Thank you for everything you do. Given your circumstances, you don't let nothing stop you. I appreciate you.
I have cheese. I have hero. You know the hero already.
Thank you. Give me a hug.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I have Mighty Joe.
Thank you.
Very much. Very, very,
You're
very,
welcome.
very, very, very.
Look if it's two.
No, it's not.
What?
Yeah, man. Me get a group hug, man. Get a group hug.
You got it?
Yeah. Me get a group hug.
Thank you.
Man, take me to my family, see me, because Rupe is the family.
One more again here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, man, Erica.
Thank you.
Blessed.
Keep up the good work, guys.
And you as well too.
Appreciate you.
And you as well too, you know, continue.
Kino.
I will, you know.
Definitely.
My journey will definitely continue. I mean, once a year one,
Yes.
just a begin.
Just a big one.
And you can see that the struggle is really real out there, you know. You
Yes, oh
can
my
see
God.
there's so much people like need in where you're from, you know.
Right.
It's quite surprising because we never expect it.
Right.
You know, so me really see why you really want to give back to
Yes.
the community of where you're coming from, because the situation is really more depriving than here.
Right.
You know, I guess it's more zinc fence down there than right, right?
Yes.
You have more zinc fence down there and a lot of struggle down there, so
Yeah, see it.
I kind of tell them respect for everything what you're doing, you know, because
Definitely. Thank you.
yeah. And I hope we can continue to do more work down there and see if we can help out CMA, because
Right. Liquor is much when God is in it.
yeah,
And that's why I look at it.
and them really need help down there, you know. So anyway, I thought we can help, you know, CMA can contact your people,
Right.
then CMA we can help out their situation down there, because since the good time we're there and them bring me around and them show me them living condition, and I'm like,
It's a lot.
it is a lot, you know.
But one day at a time. And with the
One day.
dream team,
Mhm.
I know you guys will continue to do your best to make it happen.
Definitely will make it happen, man. I would thank you so much again once more.
Thank
know.
you too.
Yeah, man.
for having
God bless you. No problem. Dream team.
One team.
And wow.
Right. How it is sometimes. Uplift your
So
spirit.
next time, man, next time the foundation. Extend the foundation would be there.
Right.
This one got a vibe machine, you know, Brooklyn next time. Or Exeter Street.
Right.
We're not for exposing.
But next time you guys are in charge.
Alright.
I just walk around.
Me know why you want me do why you want that. Yeah.
I tried.
Mm-hmm.
Do all that. Rap out. Huh?
Move, you see my love song.
Yeah. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.